Hey everybody, it's Joe from Twisted Plays. I want to give you a quick video on how to use our show merch system now that we have a bunch of people who are using show merch. We've added some updates here to the top of the website so you can get right to these links quicker than even going to this page. So we've got a few things we'll show you today. The more information page is this basic page about show merch, giving you some of the things that we do, tons of details here. You can go through all the different things we promise. You can go through the different types of merch that we can do for you, t-shirts being the most popular. Now at the bottom, you can go step by step through what the process is going to look like. But for today, I want to show you two different pages. I want to show you the admin page and I want to show you the order page. So real quick, go to admin. I'm going to use a current customer by typing in their account information here. Hey, don't worry, that's going to be changed later. But anyway, you can see all of their basic info here. So you'll have the information here you need to make payments, to get a new quote, or to log out, your contact info on the right. On the left, it'll go through the process where we are. This person happens to be in the receiving process, but you'd see these empty blocks here where they would be. The middle, you'd have your order, including your shipping information if it's shipped already, some documents that you'll need. Probably the coolest feature is a design feature here. So your designer will upload new versions until you approve of them. So you can see this person has gone through 4 different versions till we found one that we liked. What's really cool is if it's a new design or design that has not been approved yet, so if it hasn't been approved, you'll see the thumbs down. That means you denied it. Thumbs up means it was approved. But if it was not yet approved, there'd be a little option right below here that said for you to approve, deny, and you'd have a space to enter a comment about some things you want to change. The bottom of the page has all of the communication logged. So anytime you sent a message, either through the bottom messaging system or through email, that's all logged here along with when designs are added and etc. so that you can see where we are in the process and get any kind of information there. So this is the admin page. I didn't want to go too much into detail with this, but when you get it, you can see all the information is here. What I want to talk about today is our order page, which is probably the page that you're going to need a lot with your students. So all they do is they click on order, and then here they type in their code that you give them. So we're going to go to the sample page for right now, which is going to be pretty basic, and then they'll log in. Keep in mind, by the way, codes are case sensitive. When they log in, they'll get to their show merch page. It's one page. You don't have to worry about too much here. What'll happen is this is pretty blank because it's a sample, but up here you'd have the school, the theater name, the contact person, so the teacher or director who was in charge, and then the show merch manager, the person who was in charge of your show merch account on our side. In this right area here where it is empty right now, you'd see a picture of the item you're ordering. So if it's a t-shirts or whatever, in this case it would be a t-shirt. Then on the right, you have the ability to add in sizes depending on how you ordered and the pricing that you and your show merch account have gone over. They'd enter the quantity of each thing that they'd want, and then they'd add it to their cart. So they have one simple thing. Once they add to cart, it goes to a new page where they can fill out their information and they can order. They also have the ability to contact you or contact show merch at the bottom of the page. We tried to make this as simple as possible so that ordering online is easy for students and for parents. Now, ordering online is just an additional service that we offer at Show Merch. It is not required. As a matter of fact, most of our customers collect their orders on their own. They do not use the online system, but the online system is available in your Show Merch account. So you can ask your Show Merch administrator for more information about that. That's our Show Merch system. I want to tell you, we do provide some really cool and high quality shirts to our customers. So if you are interested, please give us a call or click on the Get a Quote. It'll open right up to a form that you can quote, and you'll get a quick quote right here online. At the bottom, it'll actually tell you your total amount that you're probably going to pay per item. Well, I'm Joe. Thanks so much for joining me. Check out more on Show Merch. You'll head over to twistedplays.com and click on Show Merch at the top of the page.